dead center in the screen, and it's purple, and it was purple, and it went from the cloud to the ground, and I got it. Yes, I saw the entire bolt purple, dead center in the camera, and I'm not. My hands aren't shaking. You want to see it real quick? Actually, after this in a second. Because I'm glad I did this. I wonder if there's a way where I can make it in slow motion. I got 2!
Are you getting bolts?
Bolts? I've gotten 2! Okay, I'm lucky today. The last one that I got was bigger though, it was fatter, that one was skinny. Whoa!
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
I've got 3! I'm gonna be out here until it starts raining. Oh. Dang it, please don't tell me I just got a raindrop. Don't start raining on me, please, no. Why does it hate me? Did I get that? No, that was just a flash, wasn't it?
Yes.
Well, I think that was high. Dang it. Come on, get me one more. Maybe one. Oh, come on. Dang it. I hate rain. Oh, come on, give me one more. There hasn't even been a... Whoa, that was just a flash, dang it. Is the lightning being, like, covered by the rain?
Yeah, it's on it while they're further back in some clouds.
I got lucky tonight. You think it will go viral? Oh! 3.
4, isn't it?
No, yeah, 4. But 3 in the same video. What am I gonna call this though? Make people to believe it because of a lot. No, I'm gonna call it Cloud of Ground Lightning 3 times. Or something, Cloud of Ground Lightning. Oh! That one would have been a fat one. Probably. Was that it?
Yeah.
Oh, then I got that one too. That's 5.
Rest it on your knees like this.
Oh, that wasn't a bolt. It's purple though, it's really pretty. Daisy pooped somewhere.
Yeah, remember?
Oh, well, I smell it. I just randomly said that. If I get one more, then I'm gonna close it up. And then I'll go inside, and then there's a really good one. Was that a bolt?
I didn't see one. You guys made
I
'em.
thought it was just a flash. This seems to be the lucky
Be
spot.
real close by the beginning of the month.
Oh, it's perfect for lightning. Getting lightning on camera. What is this 125 and 126 that keeps on going up next? Next?
I'm thinking so, yeah.
Ooh. Wait, did I get that? I don't know. I didn't even see it. I'll find out. I'm gonna watch this video. Dang it, it's sprinkling. Ah, here comes the